There's still a lot of figuring out to do with UAVs in terms of all the type of different inspection work. It's very difficult to get a UAV in a tight space, whereas a human may have to climb a ladder or may have to put on a safety harness or something like that, but they can very easily get into a space like that without using a whole bunch of equipment.
You see a lot of drones out there, right? In different types, different wonderful sensors and technologies. But when you're flying in a live environment, you have to realize that you're flying a potentially dropped object that is not intrinsically safe.
Being 100% electric powered, the aircraft are getting bigger, the payloads are getting heavier. There's a point where your battery voltage or capacity outweighs the aircraft. So endurance is definitely a big factor.
Aversion to change is basically typical in the oil and gas industry. It's just, changing the way that people are, used to do things. And there could be so many other areas. So it could be such a big ROI and a return on investment for every asset manager, every budget holder, if they were to endorse this technology, which is ever changing and it's improving. It's becoming more, safer and more autonomous. But they're not even using they're using a fraction of what they could be using it now.